Today we're going to look at how to use a color checker like this to quickly get a good starting point for your project. So there's a lot of different color charts similar to these that you can use to get a good starting point or to color match different cameras. So let's quickly jump into DaVinci and I'll show you how to use these. So here's our first shot. The only thing I did in this shot is just had the color checker up. So to use these, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come down to here, color match, and then you're gonna pick which color chart you have. Depending on which color chart you have will depend on the layout of the chips. So I have just this color checker classic. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to match up the corners so that the squares inside are in the middle of the color chips here. So something like that, okay? So once you have that set up, then you want to come down here and you want to pick up pick your source and your target. For this, it was just filmed with the DJI Phantom in D-Log, and D-Log isn't in this set, so I'm just gonna stay to Rec 709. And for this color temperature seems completely fine. You can look at this graph to determine what your color temperature is, but I'm gonna stick with 6500. So once we have it set up where we want it, then we just click match. Now it matches the shot, and we can come over to all of our shots that we shot during that period of time where color didn't change much and we didn't change any of the settings on the camera. If we have it highlighted, we can just copy over that grade, and it's only one node and it's just the color match. And then from here, we have a good starting point to start doing a color grade. So, you know, you could come in here and do whatever it is that you want. Like maybe in the sky here, you want to add a little bit of blue. So we could just add some blue in the sky there, right? And then maybe add some more saturation to that blue. Something like that. And then, you know, we have a good starting point for our project here. Let's see what's going on. Why is it not playing? Okay. Camera's just sitting. And that's quickly how to go from a log shot to a good starting point. The reason why I say starting point is because I feel like a lot of times you can improve from here, but at least it's a good starting point. And now here we have a different location. It might be the same day, but you know, color, temperature could change. And so one of the other things that I also wanted to state is when you have your color checker up, if you have other lights in the scene, you want to make sure that your color checker has whatever your primary light sources are. If it's just one key light, or if it's like the sun or whatever it may be, you want the primary light source to be hitting the face of this. Okay, so let's go in and do this real quick. Come over here and get all the corners quick like that. We can zoom in by scroll wheel to zoom in down here, and then you can hit Control Z to have it fit the frame. And now down here to match again. Now we have our colors. Come over to this shot. We can hide this by coming down here, clicking, and now we have a shot that has accurate colors. And now this is mainly used for if you're using like a log or something that's like a flat profile, because you can simply say, okay, you know, all of these colors are the same no matter where it goes and in between cameras. So I could use this for this camera, and then my drone, I can put this in front of my drone. And because the colors are going to be mapped to the same exact color values, you should have a very close, consistent look between the two cameras as a good starting point. And it's very quick. Quick is the key for a lot of this stuff, doing it as fast as possible. So yeah, that's how to use a X-ray color checker. Again, my name's JR, and
See you when I see you. Wow.